save or shatter your career. The audit world is on the edge of extinction, and most auditors don't even know it yet. AI is tearing through the profession, rewriting the rules, and exposing just how replaceable traditional auditors have become. But here's the truth, it's not about replacement. It's about who adapts first and dominates in this new AI-powered era. Truth 1. The big question. Truth 1, will AI replace auditors? Everyone's asking it. But here's the reality: 75% of auditing firms plan to integrate AI significantly within the next 5 years. This isn't the future coming, it's already here. The auditors who survive won't be the ones afraid of AI, but the ones who use it as their secret weapon to gain speed, accuracy, and insight far beyond what humans alone can achieve. Truth 2. Algorithmic risk assessment. Truth 2, AI is transforming risk assessment. Imagine auditing millions, even billions of transactions in seconds, spotting anomalies humans might miss in weeks. Firms that harness this can identify risks faster and more accurately than ever before. If you're still relying solely on sampling and spreadsheets, you're already falling behind. Truth 3. Fraud fighters' new weapon. Truth 3, fraudsters are getting smarter, but so is AI. Machine learning now uncovers patterns that escape traditional testing. Auditors who master these tools don't just catch fraud, they predict it. And those who ignore it? Their clients could be blindsided while AI silently flags every suspicious move. Truth 4. AI ethics and bias. Truth 4, AI isn't perfect. If it learns from biased data, it reproduces bias, and auditors must now audit the algorithm itself. This is a new layer of responsibility, ensuring AI decisions are fair, transparent, and defensible. The era of just checking numbers is over. Auditors must now check machines too. Truth 5. The auditor blueprint. Truth 5, the next generation auditor is part detective, part data scientist, and part AI whisperer. To stay relevant, you must blend critical thinking, data analytics, and AI literacy. The auditors who fail to adapt won't just struggle, they could be replaced by the very technology they ignored. So, the audit profession is evolving fast, fierce, and unforgiving. AI isn't your enemy, it's your ultimate tool, if you're brave enough to master it. Don't get audited by the future, be the auditor who commands it. Hit subscribe and follow to stay ahead of the AI revolution in auditing. Your career depends on it.